Here is something that will completely change how you think about the ocean. Deep underwater, there is an invisible layer called the SOFAR Channel, and it acts like a natural telephone cable stretching across entire oceans. At a specific depth, temperature and pressure create conditions where sound waves get trapped and travel enormous distances without losing energy. A whale call made in this layer can be heard thousands of miles away. Scientists in the 1940s figured out that if you set off an underwater explosion in this channel, it could be detected on the other side of the planet. The ocean is not just deep. It is a living acoustic network that has been transmitting signals for millions of years without any technology at all.